across the night. I walk through thunder shadows, seeking sparks of artificial light. Ancient stone and neon glass, the temple floor begins to shake. Above the clouds the archer draws the life I'm forced to take.
Mira como el trueno baila, fuego en la arena, la tormenta en el club, rompiendo la cadena. Siente el pulso, ritmo puro, nada me detiene. Bajo el rayo de luz, el veneno me mantiene. In the intersection of the storm and the heat, celestial fire at the soles of our feet. Bajo el cielo negro, todo se funde en la pasión. One more beat, we one more soul, the stormy heat. Heavy weather on horizon, but the heat inside is rising. Synchronizing heart to base, no more time for compromising.
I don't need the sun to see the starlight's trapped inside of me. Dance through the static electricity, setting my spirit free. When the clouds descend and the world goes blind, we are the light they couldn't find.